Free crochet pattern for a unique pocketed dishcloth to wash dishes and hold you sponge, Brillo pad, scratchy pad, etc. Fits over the center of your sink or faucet. With 100% cotton number 4 yarn and size I hook, make a slip knot and chain 24. Row 1. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 1 chain, and in the next chain make a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet. Repeat this across the row, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. Row 2. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the first single crochet. In the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet. You will repeat this across the row, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn at the end of each row. You will repeat row 2 until your piece is approximately 15 inches long. Do not end off but single crochet evenly around the entire piece. Make 3 single crochets in each corner. At the end, you can join any way you wish. I like to make an invisible join as follows. Thread your darning needle with the tail and insert it under the 2 top loops of the second beginning single crochet. Draw the tail through and insert in between the top 2 loops of the last single crochet you made. Weave in the end and pull tail to look like a stitch. Cut end. Finishing the pockets. Attach yarn in the right corner stitch at the narrow side and chain 1. Make a total of 20 stitches across. You may have to decrease to get to this number. Notice that I am crocheting over the tail. I do this so I do not have to weave in later. I am counting here to see how many stitches I have to decrease to come to the total of 20. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Rows 2 through 4. Single crochet in each of the 20 stitches across. At the end of row 4, chain 3 and turn. You're going to create a cross stitch. To do this, skip 2 stitches to the left and double crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 1 and skip 1 stitch to the right of the stitch you just made and make a double crochet in the stitch. Repeat making cross stitches across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. End with a double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Now make a chain 3 picot over the chain 1 space and repeat the process of 2 single crochets in each of the next 2 stitches and picot over the chain 1 space across. To make a picot, chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain you made. At the end of the row, end off and weave in the end. Repeat these 6 rows on the opposite narrow side. We will now begin the pockets. Fold and pin each side towards the middle, leaving about 2 inches free in the center. Attach your yarn at the bottom in the fold of the first pocket. Chain 1 and begin single crocheting through both thicknesses to close the side of the pocket. Single crochet down the middle and finish the side by single crocheting the second pocket to the piece. At the next fold, end off and weave in the end. Attach your yarn to the other side in the same manner and repeat. You're finished. You have made a pocketed dishcloth. In the pockets you can store your sponges, Brillo pads, scrubbies, etc. You can hang your dishcloth over the center bar of your sink or hang it over a hanger. You can also hang it over the faucet. Lastly, you can use it by itself, as a dishcloth. If you like this video and would like to see more, don't forget to hit like or subscribe.